Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a brand that provides us with personalized hair care. I'm sure you guys must be familiar with the fact that few brands provide us with personalized hair care and skin care, because all of our hair and skin are different from one another and the need of our hair is also different from one another. So the brand that I have today here with me is called Traya Health. Traya Health is an online brand that provides us with personalized hair care, and they help their patients deal with hair loss problem. They use the structure of telecommunication to help their patients cope with hair loss problem. So I have here with me the personalized hair care range, and I have been using this range for a little bit over a month now. I'm going to share with you guys the products in a bit and my experience with them also. So all the products are natural and suggested by doctors. Traya Health has a 3 science formula that include allopathy, Ayurveda and also nutrients. So if you guys want to know more about the products, then continue watching. So here is the entire range. We have a shampoo, scalp oil, hair root serum, hair rust and nasal drop in this hair care range. So what made me try out Traya was the ingredients that they used in the products, the ingredients which are really beneficiary for our hair. So let's go one by one. First we have the Traya scalp oil. So the oil claims that it stimulates hair growth, improves hair thickness, improves scalp health, reduces hair fall and hair thinning, and activates circulation for increased blood flow to the scalp. And if you take a look at the ingredients, the oil contains amlaki, bhringraj, kari patta, brahmi, yashti madhu, goat milk and kumari. If you are into Ayurvedic hair care and stuff, then you already know that all of these ingredients which I just read out to you are really essential for good scalp and hair. So I use the oil how I usually use my hair oils, which is I apply the oil at night, I leave it overnight, and in the morning I wash it off with the Traya shampoo. And since I started using not only the hair oil but the entire range, I have noticed that the hair fall, as you guys know that I do get hair fall in winter, the amount of hair fall that I get after washing my hair has reduced. Next is the Traya shampoo, which is with vitamin B3. The shampoo is free from paraben and sulfate. So always after using the Traya scalp oil, I have always to wash my hair with the Traya shampoo, and I felt that after using the shampoo once on my hair, I didn't feel the need to go in with a second time, because I didn't feel that the shampoo had any leftovers on my hair. There wasn't any leftovers oil on my hair. So the shampoo is quite good to wash to cleanse your hair. And after washing my hair with the shampoo for several times, I have noticed that my scalp wasn't feeling itchy, which means the shampoo does not dry out your scalp or your hair. Next is the Traya hair root serum. So after washing my hair with the Traya shampoo, once my hair got dry, I always made sure to use this serum on my scalp. And throughout the week, whenever I felt like, I use this serum on my scalp, because the serum has a water like texture, so you can use it basically whenever you like on your scalp. And I loved this serum. I would say this is basically my favorite product from the entire range because of the ingredients. It has redensil and caffeine, which you guys already know are amazing to regain that lost hair, and also the fact that you can use it whenever you like, you don't need to wash it off, makes this product my favorite. Next we have the Traya hair rust for your daily natural hair nourishment. So as we know that hair care is not only external but also internal. So this is basically tablets which you are supposed to take 2 times a day, once in the morning and once at night after taking your meal. And this one contains powerful herbs like amlaki, arjun, satavari, ashwagandha, bhringraj and lots of other Ayurvedic herbs as well. So this helps you to balance your pitta dosha, which is responsible for hair loss, and help you curb the hair loss problem. Also, this hair rust helps you to deal with anxiety, laziness, and loss of energy. I don't like the taste to be honest, but if it's beneficiary for my hair, I'll take it. So I take it 2 times a day. The final product in this hair care range is the Traya Grit Nasal Drop. First, when I came across the product, I was really confused, like why is there a nasal drop in a hair care range. So then when I looked into the product, I came to know about the product, and then I understood why it is included in this personalized hair care range. So as we know that not only good food but also good sleep is really important for our not only hair but our skin, our overall health. Sleep is really important, and more or less each one of us find it hard to fall asleep at night. So this product is included in this range to make sure that doesn't happen and we get a good night's sleep. So the product contains ghee, yashti madhu, satavari, and jatamasi. So at nights, on those nights when I feel like I can't just fall asleep on my own, even if I'm not staring at my phone, sleep won't just come to me. I take a little bit of this product, nasal drop in both my nose, in both the nostrils of my nose, both my nose. So, and I feel like fall asleep instantly like a baby, and it's just like how you take a nasal drop, it's just like that. So this was the entire hair care range. Personally, I really liked their products, and the fact that they have taken care of all the aspects that can potentially cause hair fall to you. Like they have taken care of not only external hair care but also internal health and internal hair care. And as I mentioned that after using this range for over a month now, I have seen that the amount of hair fall I get in the shower or after washing my hair has reduced than before. So I would definitely recommend this range to you if any one of you is facing hair fall issues and want something like this, like an entire hair care range that will take care of all the problems that can cause you hair fall. The link to the Traya Health personalized hair care range is mentioned in the description box down below. Be sure to check it if you are facing hair fall issues. And that's it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you will like to try out the Traya Health hair care range, or if you have already tried it out. I'd love to know that, and I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.